Hello everyone, I am Anil Ghongde from MCAB. I am excited to present my Power BI dashboard project on Netflix data analysis, where I have explored key insights such as top genres, content trends, and viewing patterns across different countries. This interactive dashboard helps us understand how Netflix content is distributed and consumed globally. So now we will get our file first, means data. So now we will tap on the get data, and here we will get scv. So now we have a file scv. So now we have a file's name and all the data is here: the type, movie, the title, the director, and cast. So also, and we will just slide it little bit, and then we can see here date, schedule, and all the released year, and a rating, and a duration, all the things. And we can see also cast. We'll just little bit slide it, yeah. So related in, sorry, rated in, where, and all the. So here is an also description we have added a little bit and load it. Now if we have completed loading, then we will go into the, let's see our files, all the contents are came. Yeah, we have seen all the contents. Yeah, so we will go just that page, then we will canva background, and then color we will change, and the colors code should be 19222D. Yeah, so the color will be, we will upload our as a background color, and but first transparency we will also do that. After that, now we will see the page like this. Okay, now we will go first, we will add our map. So field map is here, so we will just tap, and then we will just slide it a little bit more. Yeah, big we will make me. And here is we will see the toolkit tips, sorry. So we will show id, we will put it on that. Yeah, we will add it. Yeah, now see, we can see the big map and all the countries like Africa and all the game, and then we shall just tap on the uh, select all, because we want all the, no, so now that's why. But we will yeah, now see, we will format your visuals. We will go and map settings, and we will do a dark little bit. Yeah, so now after dark your map will be like this. So now, so we will just tap on fx. You can see their icon, and we will just, on a rurals, we will just do a gradient. Yeah, you know about that, you know. And our file though, we will add show id and direct distinct and all the things. We will add also color, which we will put here on the code, no, there is code 00 and the a o A8A1. So that is, and then we will just tap on ok. Yeah, and we will move forward. Now we have to just see, you can see, and we have to just settle properly because it's too big now. And you can see the country is which, in the India and the US, you can see properly. Yeah, and we will just like make it base a little bit small, because we want set all the content as per our dashboard. So now effects, we will go, and then we'll choose the colors, and then black, like black, no, we have made a background color, you know about that. So 192222D, and then here we will choose the text, all the things we will make mine, then pixels, all the things. Then time title should be a little bit 16, and then here we will do uh black. Yeah, you know. So after that show, we will put title on that. So the all the states, means we will put here the states, our countries, matlab how much countries are, um, you know about that. Yeah, so you will see the things, and we will just close this, and this one is also closed. And yeah, so you can see our uh, what we call dashboards. First content as ready, the total shows by country.
little bit, so we can add our next data also. So now we will go into visualization. On visualization we will just make map that on sorry, their diagram we have typed, you can see here. So we select all first, and then we not on select all, just TV show we want to don't want to select all, then we close it. So you can just you can add that and that file, and we will just make and center general. After that title we have to give the title properly. So we'll move the movie and TV show, and we'll put, and the color should be white, and background should be divider. Now first we should move the background. After that we will make effects, the background colors, then we will make our so visual report is to should be white because it needs to be visual correctly, and then our transparency, total tables, data levels. So we will add values, colors should be white, and then after that we will option close that, we will legends an option, then we will make white color. Now see, you can see our proper things have came. Now we see our one color should be little uh, one code which name 008 even. So with that we used it recently, and the next one is we have screen here. We will just make proper below the this one because we need to add all contents fit properly. So that's why we are doing that now. Now see, you can just make it smaller, and you can see proper it fitted in that area. If you want to any changes, we can add all contents will area chart, and the area chart can see released. Now we add x axis and y axis and then show. So we can count. Now we can count. Now see, there is a type, and then we have to add legend, and we can see all things came properly. Now we again make the background colors, and the title should be white, and y-axis came in should be values for color. Now in general effects we will go, and in effects we'll see our background color. We will put, if not, so our background is set, and the title should be total, what we call, you can see here, read years and select them 16 pixel, and all the white should be here. It is in central, and we just divide, and we will make it white because we need white color. Yeah, now we see the title is done and all things are done. So we will go just visual. So like we will close all the y-axis, so we legend and all things. The next, and text should be white, and put a title here. After some time, now you see here all things, the colors, and the colors mean we have recently, and again the second should be, and we also we can all the colors is matched because we will now go effects visual effects, and then we will just put white, and we will make a 16 20 pixel which is small, and we just fit in there. and now it is fitted well in parallel. So now we can see three contents are ready, and we can go to the x-axis, then we will go to maximum. We can see add things there. Now after that you can see we can add more content over here. We can add more graph over here. Now we'll add, then we will add the data over here, and you can see the graph bar chart. Now you can make a slow view, and we have used white. Then we will, then the then we'll give title to that bar chart. And over here on x-axis title is the rating by total shows, and then visual should be y-axis, and it is white. So all things are going proper way, and we'll put add white, and we'll put the data doubles. We just add as a white, because it should be matches our contents and what we are passing.
My name is Shivam Moria, and I will be deliver to you further discussion. After fixing the data, so we can make it properly, and what happening here. So we will just copy and put there, and there is some case first we fix order dashboard so that it will be clearly visible to us, and we will add one more dashboard so that uh, and putting our Netflix video, putting our Netflix image so that our dashboard more clearly visible to viewers. And after that we will add title. For that we use some tools, and we go to fields advertisement to see the to add the title in it, and search to wait for a second. We After writing title, we change the background color so that it will perfectly match to our image, and we add one more chart, but for that the chart volume is occupied, and after putting title we will go on, and then we will add total. So we can see here, and take our recent colors preview little bit, and there 20 pixels. Now it's our time to uh, to make the data more clearly visible. Add it in the top left corner, and after adding some charts, we will paste the file to 3, and we will um, make it more clearly visible to viewers. So basically, it's a project. It's all about the Netflix dashboard, and which show how many currently viewers are watching which show, and from what age group, so that we will make further further discussion about it and more tower exam according to it. and and a little bit we adjust the font color and to make more clearly visible. So here our content is ready and we search that sets the property so that it might be easily visible. So after adding auto pixels and later we will add the content about that. So this is our and now we will say it's a information about which currently so it's watching from which time period and we can change the date too. We can modify and we can also see the total ratings put on the Netflix show. So after doing the sortings, it came to conclude that we can show more in future. It's go. We will add more tech support in it and then put a title property and make the code more clearly visible. And after that, we just change our one title also. After adding the content property, we will make a little bit set it property. After this, the next one is the total titles, so that we will can make a judgment according to that. And basically, we here customize the tabs from a virtualization tab. We here customize the genre title according to our dashboards and make it more clear and easily readable to users. After adding the data, uh, after adding the final data to the dashboard, we are uh, so our dashboard is ready. Please like, comment, and share the more videos. Thank you so much.